Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on the GoPro Hero 8 Black Action Camera. In this video, I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to use the camera underwater. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, the camera does not have a protective case around it. And most people are going to think automatically, including myself when I first got this camera, they're going to think automatically that you cannot put this underwater. But in reality, this GoPro, which is the GoPro Hero 8 Black, as you can see right there, okay? This GoPro is actually waterproof as is, just like this. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind though. First and foremost, all the doors have to be closed properly. If one of the doors is open, if let's say the battery compartment door is open or is not sealed, water is going to get in there, it's going to cause problems. So it needs to be closed properly, okay? So you need to make sure yourself that it is closed properly, okay? So as you can see, like, I can open this door right here, okay? And if I go like this, it looks like it's closed, but it's not, because water would get right in there and that would cause problems. So you need to make sure that the battery compartment door and all the other doors are closed and sealed properly. And I always recommend just make sure that they're not loose or open or anything like that. So make sure that everything is closed. When the doors are closed properly and everything is sealed, it has a nice watertight seal, and that allows this camera to be water resistant, or waterproof, I should say, I guess, up to 33 feet or 10 meters, which for the most part is going to be perfectly fine if you are doing little, like, you know, just bringing it underwater, you know, like very little depth. But in order to go beyond that 33 feet or 10 meters, you need to get a protective case. By getting a protective case, that gives it additional depth that it depends on the case, but you can take it even further with the protective case. So essentially, as is, the doors are closed, this will work underwater. And how to use it underwater is very simple. You literally just use it as if you were using it in any other way. So I can turn the camera on, as you can see right here. Okay, turn the camera on, just let the screen pop up, and it's underwater. It's good to go. So literally, it is absolutely good to go. Okay. So it'll work perfectly fine. You can see it's completely submerged in water now. Completely submerged in water. It works perfectly fine. I can hit the record button just to show you. I'll change it from time warp. Give me a second here. Okay, so we're going to change it to video mode again. And what I can do is I can just push the record button. And as you can see, it is currently recording. It's kind of hard to tell. You can see right there it's recording. And I can turn it off again. Okay, so I can stop recording, I should say. Not turn it off, but stop recording. And as you can see, I just recorded that. I can take it out of the water. It's literally dripping wet. It's perfectly fine. Like I said, the most important thing is make sure that that battery compartment door, all the doors are sealed. Make sure everything is sealed and waterproof, okay? That's it. And then you can just use it regularly underwater, but I just wanted to go over how to use it underwater, and also some of these sort of stipulations about the depth, the maximum depth that it can go to with just this regular camera without an extra protective case around it. And also the fact that you need to make sure that the camera is watertight and sealed with the doors. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.